Hey, what's up, folks? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Shane. Welcome back to the Investing Channel, and welcome back today to another episode of the Stock Market Review. And I hope you guys are doing great. I hope everyone is feeling fine. And guys, let's get into it. Okay, so the stock market, guys, you clearly see there has been a lot of noise, a lot of catalyst, a lot of move, a lot of earnings, a lot of things have been happening, a lot of IPOs, a whole bunch of stuff have been taking place into the stock market, and we're gonna look how that is being unfold over the past week or two, and what's moving the market and how we are shaping up for the end of the year, and what's coming for 2022. So right now, guys, it's Saturday right now, and the stock market is currently closed. So over the last trading day, guys, you can clearly see that the Dow Jones is down 0.75%, and the S&P 500 is down 0.14%, and the Nasdaq is up 0.40%. So we're going to be jumping into the charts, and we're going to be taking a look at how prices are looking, guys. So starting off with the Dow Jones sitting at 35k, and let's see how the charts are looking. So clearly, guys, we're on the daily time frame right now, and there have been some selling pressure on the charts. So I'm gonna be getting another trend line on this chart for you guys. Just give me 1 second. So trend line for the all-time. All right, let me just get this real quick. Boom. So yes, guys, looking right now on the Dow Jones, it is sitting at a support level, which was acting as a resistance level in the past. So let's see if price is gonna hold up above these levels, or if we do get a break below. The next target for the Dow Jones is 35k flat. Right now the price is 35k $601. So let's see if there's going to be more correction coming for the Dow Jones on the daily chart, and if we're going to get a test down at the 35k flat level if we do get a break below this support line right here, sitting at 35k 6 right now. So currently, guys, we're looking at a downward movement, and let's look in the lower time frame if we did find support on the last trading day. So let's look at the 4-hour. So looking at the 4-hour, guys, whoa, there was some support. There was a light support coming in, but more on the downward red side, and the volume you can clearly see is selling pressure on the Dow right now, and some buyers did step in and hold the price steady above 35k and 600, my bad. So let's see next week. This is a critical level for the Dow Jones Industrial right now. So let's see if we're gonna get a break below these levels, and if we do, guys, look out for the 35k flat level for the next major support on the Dow Jones Industrial, guys. And yeah, it is looking very bearish right now. So let's see Monday if we're gonna get a break below these levels, and how that is gonna be looking going forward to the end of the year. So looking now, guys, at these indexes, people trade these indexes, and these indexes, they track the companies they track the companies. They track some of the best companies in the world, in the United States. So these are some major players, guys. So looking at the S&P 500 right now. So let's go on the daily. So looking at the daily for the S&P 500 now, guys, it is very bullish. But I did tell you guys in my last stock market video that I was looking for some correction, right? go look on my channel if you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, but go look on the channel and you will see that video where I was talking about the stock market correction, that there needs a correction in the market. Things are too frothy and things are too high right now, so we do need some sort of correction to get a nice buy the dip opportunity again. So let's see how that is gonna play out though. We don't know, we don't have a crystal ball. This is just my opinion, and if you want to go along with it, that's on you. This is just my opinion, and I'm giving out what I think on the market, and I'm giving out technical analysis. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not licensed or anything like that. I'm just a regular guy who's just here putting on entertainment for my fans, and putting out nice content for education where you can learn, but this is not financial advice. So on the S&P 500, guys, we're currently sitting at all-time high right now, but on the daily we did get a red candlestick close, but it did not break down above the 4,600 level. We did not get a breakdown below that level, so that level right now, guys, is acting as support on the daily. But let's see coming next week if we're gonna get if we do get a breakdown that below that. Look for the next support at 4,635 on the S&P 500. Yeah, 6,435. Right now price is sitting at $4,697, and we have support right now, guys, at $4,680. We have support. If we do break below the 6,080, I mean the 4,680 level, get your words right, man. So if we do break down below this 4,680 level, look for price to test 4,635, and if we do break that level, guys, look for price to touch $4,590 on the S&P, or maybe 4,550. Look for that level too on the S&P. I think a breakdown to 4,550 would be a nice correction to buy the dip. Or yeah, I think that's a nice correction level for the S&P 500. So that's how the market is looking right now, guys, and let's look at the daily. There has been a lot of talks, a lot of rumors and whispers about who's going to be the next Fed chairman, and the market right now is very uncertain about that. But I think the market should keep JP in the position right now, and let's see how inflation is gonna play itself out. And a lot of investors are on the central bank's backs to hike interest rate because of high inflation, but the Fed are saying that inflation is transitory right now. So let's see in the coming few months. Maybe we will see by the end of second quarter next year, 2022, let's see how inflation is going to be looking, if we get a control on coronavirus, if we get a control on that across the world, across all nations on a good level. Let's see how the market is going to react to that, and let's see how the central banks are going to react to inflation around that level, whether it is good or bad. But be prepared, guys, for whichever way the decision go on interest rate and the Fed's doing a rate hike. So let's see and wait for Joe Biden, the president, to make his decision also on who's going to be in charge of the who's going to be the chairman for the Federal Reserve. And let's see how that is going to affect the market, and let's see how we go forward from that. But right now on the that's the S&P 500 I just covered. Let's look at the Nasdaq now. Let's see how the Nasdaq is performing right now. So on the Nasdaq, guys, right now we clearly is sitting at all-time high at 16K on Nasdaq. Let's see this week if we're gonna get a rejection back all the way down to about 15k and 810 bucks. Let's see if we're gonna get a correction like that coming next week for Nasdaq, and be prepared for those levels, because the market is kind of uncertain right now about who's going to be the Fed chairman coming in next week. There is uncertainty for that in the market right now, so let us see how that is going to take place, and let's see what the decision is going to be. So looking at some individual stocks right now, guys, we're going to be looking at some of the big boys right now, such as let's take a look at Apple, because Apple came out with some pretty interesting news, but let's see how that is gonna take it place on the market, folks. So let's see how Apple is doing. Apple. What the hell? No, bro. Let's see how Apple is doing. Come on. Yes. And Apple is a very nice company that I like a lot, guys, and I think you guys should be loving Apple, and you should be huddling your apple and eating your fruits whenever they get ripe. So looking at Apple right now, guys, you clearly see Apple is in the uptrend right now. Apple did break above $158, which was at all-time high levels, and right now we're sitting at $161 on Apple right now. We're going to be testing 162 coming in the next week for the stock market, which is going to be open on Monday. So Apple is looking very bullish after that news about getting into the EV sector, about the self-driving cars and all that stuff. If you guys don't know, let me see if I can pull that news up right here. See Apple, look right here, guys. Apple car rumor nudges share into record territory. What its success means for the tech giant, which is going to be very, very interesting coming in the next 5 years for Apple right now, guys. That is very, very huge if Apple could pull this off with the EV car, with the self-driving car, guys. That would be pretty darn huge. That would be huge. I stress that. That would be crazy for Apple, guys. So if you guys are interested in the Apple stock, you can clearly check that that article about what the rumor is said to be. Is you guys could clearly see how the charts is looking on that. So let's look how Tesla is doing after Mr. Elon Musk has been dumping his shares. So let's see how that is looking right now, guys. And this is on the 4-hour. Let me get the daily up for you. Okay, there we go on the daily, guys. Whoa. That is very, very, very interesting. This is very, very interesting on Tesla right now, guys. Are you seeing what I am seeing right now, guys, on Tesla? Or is it just me? So clearly on Tesla, guys, after Mr. Elon Musk, the CEO, came out and said he's going to be selling some shares for tax purposes, you guys see he dumped billions and billions of shares, guys. So clearly you see that Mr. Musk right now has dumped his share and is just bleeding out ever since. He came all the way back to about $990 from $1,243. Is trading at $1,137 right now today of making this video. So looking at this pattern, guys, you clearly see Tesla find some support at $990. The buyers stepped in and they buy the dip. That's what they do. They buy the dip. They buy the dip out of the dip. Okay, so they stepped up to buy the dip out of the dip and push the price all the way back to $1,137. Let's see if we're gonna break out above this resistance level of $1,137. If we do so, we're definitely gonna be testing the 155 to 200 in the coming future for Tesla, which is looking very bullish if we do get a break above this resistance level, guys. So That is a crazy move for Tesla. You guys see how bullish Tesla is going forward in the EV sector and into the future for Tesla technologies. It is crazy. Tesla, let's see if it's just momentum or what's gonna be taking place on the charts. But the buyers, they're just buying the dips. That's what they do. They don't know when to stop, and Tesla is a great stock. I love Tesla a lot. So if Tesla failed to break this level, it's definitely gonna be get rejected all the way back down to 990. That's just plain blank and period how it's gonna be. All right, so looking next, let's look at Affirm, because Affirm, no, let's look at some news in Tesla. If we have any news, then we're gonna look at Affirm. So female workers sue Elon Musk led Tesla for rampant sexual harassment. Come on now, Mo. Come on now. I don't believe that. Well, come on now, short. Yeah, nah. I don't think Elon is. Nah, bro. Nah, I don't think so, man. They have to. They have to prove that to me. Then I'll believe that. But I don't want to get into that. I don't want to, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to get into that. I'm just trying to see some news on the stock. All right, so sky high electric vehicle stock valuation could steer Ford and General Motors into the spin-off lane. Yeah. Rivian top Ford and GM combine how the old school car makers could get a boost from EV. Rivian, you have to push some vehicles out, then sustain the demand if you got good supply and good quality, and then we're gonna be talking about that, okay? As Musk sells, Uber CEO buy 9 million share of Tesla, which is very, very bullish. You guys clearly see what's happening. That's why you need to stay on top of your news, and stay on top of your news, and you will see what's going on in the stock market, guys. But you clearly see that the market is looking, individual stocks are looking good. Some individual stocks are looking good, and but the indexes are looking a bit shaky, especially the Dow Jones. Dow Jones Industrials is looking a bit shaky. So let's look at Affirm. So the indexes are looking a bit weak right now. Indexes are looking a bit weak, and some individual stocks are looking good, and some are looking like it's Black Friday, and it's buy the dip opportunity, especially Affirm, which is a good firm. We're looking at Affirm right now, and let's make that chart a bit clear for you guys. So boom, after hitting the all-time high of $176 right now, Affirm is currently traded at $136. So right now there's a nice support level at 130. I think between 130 and 140 is a nice support level. But if we do get a breakdown below, guys, trust me, I'm telling you, if we do get a breakdown below, we're going to be testing the 120 and the 125 levels. And the buyers, as I told you, they just buy the dip. They're going to be stepping in at those levels, because Affirm is going to be a discount trading at those levels. The buyers are going to buy the dip out of the dip until there is no dip available to buy. Okay, so Affirm is looking very, very nice. So if we do hold up above 130, which I think is a nice support level for Affirm, the buyers should step in and push the price back above 140. But let's look and see why Affirm is trading at those levels. Why Affirm is trading at $135 versus $176, which is what trading for probably a week or two ago. So let's look at some news. Affirm shares rebound from recent low following Seeking Alpha's blog post from contributor. Affirm guidance is even better than it looks. I told you guys, Affirm is a good firm. So if you get some Affirm in your portfolio, if you get a chance. Not a financial advice, just my opinion. I have some Affirm. All right. How buy now and pay later brands like Affirm and Klarna are changing consumer habits. Consumers like to buy now and pay later, basically, and they like what Affirm has to offer, which is one of the greatest technology they have in the buy now and pay later space. So yeah, Affirm Holdings announced pricing of upsized private offering of $1.5 billion of convertible senior notes due 2026. So right now they're having an offering, so that's why you see the price is pushing down right now, which is a buy the dip opportunity, guys. Okay, that's what it is. So buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Not a financial advisor, just my opinion. Buy the dip. I'll give you guys the chart. These are the levels. Buy the dip. Below 130, buy the dip. 120, 125, buy the dip. Below 110, even buy the dip bigger. Okay. That's all it is. Even buy the dip bigger, guys. Okay. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are staying locked in into the stock market, and I hope you guys are keeping track on your news, and I hope you guys are paying attention to what the market is doing and what the market has to offer to you. And I hope you guys are staying invested, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys are learning from these videos. So looking now, guys, most active, let's look at what's been active over the past few days into the stock market. And remember, today stock market is closed. I'm making this video on a Saturday. And right now you guys see that Lucid, who is a part of the EV momentum move right now, the EV cycle right now, which is going on, is trading at $55 right now, and its volume has been the highest for the last trading day of a whopping $166 million, which is on the sell side. Okay, so almost that's after hours, but the volume of trading stocks was 166 million buying and selling in volume. And coming in next is Greenland Technologies. Let's look at Lucid chart for a second. And Lucid, guys, was trading for $33 at one point, and now Lucid is traded at $55 with a huge engulfing candle for the last trading day. That's why there has been so much volume in Lucid. Lucid is definitely going to $60 coming next week. This is crazy for Lucid, so that's why Lucid is going up. So let's look at Greenland Technology. This is just, what the hell happened right here? This just flew off with no question asked. Damn, let's see some correction for this back all the way. This went all the way to $10 from trading at goddamn near $5. So let's see if there's going to be some correction in this. Let's see what the news is for that. It's a technology play. It's a technology mover. So let's see if there's been any crazy news. No, I haven't seen any. I haven't seen any major news, like anything. All I'm seeing is that it launches electric industrial vehicles. So probably because of the EV cycle that's going on, maybe that's why the price has seen such a huge momentum, because you see Tesla is moving, Rivian is moving, Lucid is moving, all the EV makers are like moving right now. It's the EV cycle right now that's going on. Alright, so look, Proggenity, let's see how that one is looking right now. And I did do a chart technical analysis on this one quite some time ago, but I didn't really pay it any attention. I didn't really look at it. I just saw it popped up one day, and I just put support and resistance on it, and clearly it broke out from the resistance level that I did draw on it, which was at these levels right here. It definitely broke out that level. Let's see, yeah, this level at $3.50. It broke out above that, and it's now trading at $6.20. I was gonna take an option play on this stock, but I didn't really pay much attention. I didn't do a lot of I didn't take it serious, honestly. I could have made some money off of that. I seen it popped up one day, and I was like, just let me draw it up. And I guess I had the alert, and I was like, all right, let me see if it's gonna break out above this level, because if I do get a breakout, then I would make my move. But I guess I didn't see the alert. But let me go back on the chart, and I'll show you. This is a alert for whenever price break this level. I was gonna take the trade whenever price broke this level. So I'm not sure what happened. I didn't get the alert, or I might have missed it. The daily biotech pause. Pfizer strikes 5.2 COVID pill supply deal with the US. That's it. That's why this is moving. Damn. I don't really. Probably it's just a momentum play. I don't know. And clearly we seen Apple. We talked about Apple earlier on in the video about the coming into EV. And also Sundial. Whoa. This is a nice retracement on Sundial, the weed play. Let's see what the news is for Sundial. 7 solid stocks to buy. We don't. The marijuana penny stock had a better 1 year than Tesla, Apple, Amazon. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Competition or come to Sundial Cannabis. Nah, I haven't seen anything that is Sundial stock buy right now. There was some marijuana news that came out. I forgot what it was, but I told myself if I'm going into Sundial, I would want to see a retracement back to this level where it broke out from, which is a nice buying opportunity right now, guys. I'm telling you, to buy it at 73, then to buy it at goddamn 90 is a good level. It was at 66, is not too far from 73, guys. So if you're getting in Sundial right now, it should be a nice buying opportunity. I'm telling you. Sundial, a lot of people have been holding Sundial, I'm not gonna lie. So those are the most active stocks over the last trading day that has a huge amount of volume. So guys, I hope you guys are staying locked in, as I said earlier, and I hope you guys are staying invested, and you guys are buying on the dips, and you're holding your portfolio and your diamond hand in your stock. This is just my opinion, not a financial advisor. And I hope you guys enjoy my video and you stay locked in. And if you do like the video, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe and share, and leave your opinion if you have a stock that you would like me to look over for you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys are enjoying yourself and you guys are learning from these videos, and you enjoy the entertainment. And I hope we get some correction in the market so we can buy some dips. Okay, so this was a nice video, and I enjoy putting out more content for you guys, and I hope you enjoy your boy's work and you like what I do. And if you do, stay locked into the channel, and stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys in another episode of the Stock Market Live. So peace out, and I'll see you folks later. Bye.